Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Vieira. I'm CEO and owner of Make a Supplement. I want to welcome you to our business, tell you a little bit about us and what we can do to help you. So my background is I have a PhD in biomedical sciences, and I actually hands-on started my supplement career working for the largest at the time food company in America. And I was working with supplement ingredients, not food ingredients, interestingly enough, researching how we could get those supplement ingredients into foods in the long term. Back then, the supplement industry was exploding, and I was getting to work with a lot of cool new things that were coming out. I got to work with mangosteen and acai berry and just all these really cool things that everybody was very excited about at the time. And I was working with them hands on, plus, a ton of existing supplement ingredients and emerging ones, just really understanding what it did in our bodies for all different types of systems. So I looked at bone health, muscle health, cognitive health, the impact on prevention and treatment of diabetes, just all these different things we were interested in. And it was such a fun experience. From there, my supplement career really was born. And I went on to really work as a consultant then in the supplement industry, working with tons of different companies. They brought their problems to me. I helped them with creating new formulations or improving existing ones, how to get patents, how to, get some credibility with their marketing through having doctor endorsements, things like that. And that's how this company was born. So I grabbed some other people who are smarter than I even, and together we're here to help you. So not only do you have my 20 years of expertise in the supplement industry, but there's other PhDs on the team that are in a variety of different areas. So if you're working on a product that's for the brain, we've got neuroscientists. If you've got products that are more physiologically based, we've got medical doctors. If you've got something that's a bit more herbal, we've got naturopathic doctors. We've got one guy with a background in botany. We've got people with PhDs in pharmacology. I mean, just a wide array of team members that bring a wealth of expertise, and we're here to help you. So bring your problems, bring your questions, and that's what we're here for. We're here to help you. If you're launching a brand new product, this is your first time in the supplement industry, you're probably confused, have a million questions. We've been in the supplement industry a long time. We can answer those questions. So whether you just need to pick our brain, you can book a consult. You'll see on the website we have a space for consultations. If you have a new formulation that you want us to develop for you, we're here to do that. A lot of our clients bring existing formulations and ask us to improve it, see how we can make it safer, definitely more efficacious, hitting the claims that they want to make. Claim substantiation is huge. Can we substantiate the claims they're making? Everybody's afraid of compliance. Nobody wants to get an FDA warning letter or FTC warning letter. So we get a lot of requests to help make their products compliant. And if you have had a warning letter, we will completely rewrite all of your marketing to make it 100% compliant. We're also available to help with any type of marketing, not just when you have a compliance issue, but we have a whole team of supplement writers, and we write on supplements, and whether it's blog posts, articles, website content, social media posts, videos for marketing. We also have our PhDs, MDs, and NDs willing to do endorsements of products that we have reviewed to make sure that they're efficacious and safe. We'll do video endorsements. We can also do written endorsements where we talk about the product, how it works, and really build your customers' confidence in your product, seeing that somebody with experience, somebody with a degree thinks that it's a worthwhile product. We also do test batches. Before you go to a manufacturer and run 10,000 of your product, you don't want to be stuck with 10,000 units and then figure out that maybe it doesn't work the way you thought it did, or maybe it doesn't taste so good, or maybe it doesn't look so good, or the texture is horrible. We've worked with all those. So we've done test batches with everything from powders, ready to drink beverages, skincare products, oral care products. We've done, capsules so that you can have, you want 20 people to test your product before you take it to market and make sure it actually does what you're saying it does. We'll do a 1 month supply for 20 people, get it to you, and then you test it. We can tweak the formulation if needed, and then you go to manufacturing. So test batches is a huge part of what we do. We do help with the manufacturing phase. We don't manufacture, but we've worked with enough manufacturers over the years that we can give you recommendations on who to work with, give you ideas of problems that could come up in manufacturing. And of course, if problems come up, we're here to talk to the manufacturer and just be that advocate for you to step in and really get things back to running smoothly. We have a lot of clients that want to patent, and we help figure out an angle, if there is one, that could help you get a patent. We write up that patent application. No, you don't have to pay a patent attorney $450 an hour. We can write that same patent application for you. We're the scientists. We actually understand how it works, which the attorney does not. And we can help get that written up for you. We have clients that want to do studies. Hey, I have this product. I want to actually test it and see what it does, be able to say it works, maybe even publish in a medical journal this study of how our product works. We will get that going for you. We have worked on numerous studies where we write up the protocol, we figure out what needs to be done, we figure out who needs to be the one doing it, what organization is going to actually be running the study, work with them, get the study done, get the study data written up into either a white paper that you're putting on your website or using internally, a manuscript that's going to be submitted to a medical journal for publication. And we just take you through that whole process of getting that manuscript published for your credibility for your product. And like I said, consulting, whatever you need, we're here. We have a whole team of experts. We can get on the phone with you. We can answer questions. We can, really walk you through whatever you need to be walked through. So reach out to us. That's what we're here for. We're happy to help. We're jazzed about supplements. This is what we do. We want to make the industry safe. We want to make the industry credible again, because it really has lost a lot of credibility over the years. And so that's what we're committed to, is making safe and effective products and really backing those products in the market and helping them to get out there and do the best they can. So contact us, anything you need, we're here to help. We would love to see your product be super successful.